Hi, I'm Dan Palomino with Keller Williams Realty Maui, Big Island, and the Hawaii team. Well, today we're starting a new segment. It's called Driving Neighborhoods. Yep, it's just like the title suggests. We are driving neighborhoods here on the west side of the island. We're going into different areas and subdivisions and driving that neighborhood so you can get an idea of what it would look like to live, work, and play in that particular area. And today we're in North Kona, and we're in my subdivision where I live called Hualalai Vistas. And of course, I'm biased. I really love it here. This subdivision was built in the last 10 years. There are 45 homes in this subdivision, so kind of small. They're all 1 acre lots, and they all have these amazing sweeping coastline views, 180-degree views. You're absolutely gonna love it. Now, a couple of other things. We're at a great elevation here in North Kona. At the bottom of the subdivision, we're at about 800, 900 elevation. At the top, we're about 1600 elevation. So the temperature here is perfect. In fact, when you buy a house here, you really don't need air conditioning. You don't need HVAC because it stays really cool and nice all year round. There's a great mix of sun and clouds, and there's a great mix of sun and rain just about every day here. A couple of other things that I like about this subdivision is that it is centrally located. I mean, it is 10 minutes from everywhere. We're 10 minutes from Costco, Home Depot, 10 minutes from Kua Bay, one of the best beaches in the world, 10 minutes from the airport. It's really centrally located. It's also a primary subdivision, which means that most people live here year-round. Now, don't get me wrong, there are some people that have a second home here and are here part-time, but for the most part, people who live in Hualalai Vistas live here year-round. I think you're really gonna like it. It's not really hard to get a handle on. It's really only 3 roads in the whole subdivision. You come down the main road, which is Akamai Street, and Akamai means smart in Hawaiian. The main road is Akamai Street, and then there's only 2 offshoots off that road. There's Aniani Street and there's Aloha Place, and that's the whole subdivision. We'll drive you around, you can kind of see the homes and the architecture, but for the most part, they're all 1-level ranches. And they're between 2,000 and 2,700 square feet. The price point here, it's really changed and it's really appreciated in value over the years. When the development first got started, you could get a house in here for $650,000. But now most of the homes here are probably right around the 2 million mark. Could be 1.7, 1.8, could be 2.2, but you're somewhere between 1.8 and 2.2 for a house here. And the homeowners have done a lot of work, right? A lot of them have put in pools, they've put in guest houses, they've done rock walls, they've put in gated entries, they've done a lot of work over the last several years. So it's really become a terrific neighborhood. So I'm gonna drive you around and we'll take a look. And I hope you enjoy it. And if you have any questions about buying a home in Hualalai Vistas, contact us here at the Hawaii team, 808-913-0899, 808-913-0899, or thehawaiiteam.com.